Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll let to show you the way how you can turn your video become cinematic only with CapCut on mobile phone. You just need to open the CapCut, open the video that you want to edit. So I already got this video. So I will let to adjust for the tone of this video so that it could be look cinematic. I will let to do super simple, so just take a look on this clip, and then you just need to like swipe it into the left side until you got the filters. You can actually adjusting by yourself by go click this adjust, so you can adjusting everything according to what you want. And now I will use filter because it's quite simple and easy. You can choose either scenery or movies because these two will give you a cinematic looks. So you can do it picnic, or if you want you can also do for a Fuji. And if you want to have more, you can also do it the retro one. It could be also can give you a tone of the cinematic. But today I will let you back into the movies, and I will let you use the picnic. Tap on it, and this is what we will got later on. So you just need to adjusting the way how you blend it. The next, you can also adjust for the color brightness. You can make it like more or having less light on it, and right after you're done, go click this checklist button. Now make sure that the filter is already applied into the whole clip, and right after it's done, now is the time we make it cinematic. First, you just need to go make sure that this straight line is in the beginning of the clip. Click this add keyframe, and the next you just you just need to click the clip first, and then go click add keyframe, and then bring the straight line into the end of the clip, and make sure that you do a zoom out the video. And now let's just check how it ends. You can add words or a letter in the top of this video to make it more cinematic, guys. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.